Hi, this is Todd Baker, your certified mortgage planner, and I want to give you today some great information that is going to help you understand how property tax work in the state of Texas so that number one, you can potentially save some money, and number two, you can avoid surprises and frustration and plan accordingly for next year and what you can expect. So what happens is this: each county has an appraisal district. And so I'm located in Collin County, so it would be Collin County Appraisal District, or it can be Denton County Appraisal District, and so forth and so on. And what happens at the county level is between July 21st and July 28th, it's what they call their data collection phase. And they literally go out and do things like field reviews of new construction. They do field review of new and existing homes, and they compile the information together. And they use what's called a computer-assisted mass appraisal process. And it includes even having appraisers go in and look at certain ratios and study things. And the net result is that between April 30th and May 1st, they're going to send you a notice of assessed value. Now, in this email, I also included a screenshot video. And if you're seeing this on Facebook or YouTube, you can email me and I'll send you the link to the screenshot video, sort of how to analyze a notice of appraised value. But what it basically does, it says, this is your property. This is what we think your property is worth. And then here's your tax rate. And you'll notice that if there's any homestead exemptions or any exemptions that will reduce the taxable amount, and show your final, it'll show your rate and what each amount is per school district or for taxable entity. And then when you tally those up, you'll know what your taxes are. And it's important to understand. So what you want to do is you want to be able to look at the assessed value. And then the question is, well, how do you know if it's wrong or right? And I can tell you that typically counties will underestimate the market value, because from May 1st to May 31st, there's a deadline. It's the end of May. You can dispute the valuation. So if you look and think, man, my house is not worth, let's say they've assessed it for what you think is far in excess of current market value, you're allowed to dispute that. And so what you want to do, take a look at the notice of assessed value, determine whether you feel like they've overassessed it. And if they have, you want to reach out to your real estate professional and have them do a comparative market analysis and see whether or not there are comps you can use to lower it. And if there are, you can go through the dispute process. The dispute process is very easy. The county has visual tutorials in the forms you fill out, and you basically fill the forms out, you provide the comps, and then they'll even have a hearing that you can go to. And I know that many people that have done that on their own, there's services out there that do it, but you can do it on your own with the same result. The biggest thing is what the comps are. So reach out to your real estate professional to know. Now, if, let's say the opposite is true, that it wasn't overassessed, maybe it was underassessed, obviously we don't want to go in and argue that. So then we just know what the taxes are. And what you can do is compare these taxes to last year's taxes. If you go in the county, it'll give you an historical amount. You can see how it's going to for sure be trending up in North Texas because the property values are going up. And if you look at the difference between what you paid this year and last year, for those of you that have an escrow account on your mortgage, which is most of you, you can expect next year that your escrow amount is going to go up by the difference between this year's taxes and last year's taxes. So, for example, let's say last year you paid $5,000. This year the notice is $6,000. When they get paid at the end of the year, because the notice of assessed value will come out in May, the taxes don't get paid till December, and then it's the following spring, usually in February, that you'll get a new escrow analysis, and you'll know what your payment's going to go up to. You won't be surprised, and you'll at least be able to plan for that. So take a look at the screenshot video. I hope you found this very, very helpful. I am a certified mortgage planner, and please feel free to introduce me and feel comfortable connecting me to family and friends, people from church, people from work, people from your neighborhood who you would like to have receive the same great benefit that I gave to you as your mortgage planner. The best way to connect me is to send me their name and their cell phone. I'll reach out to them. I'll introduce myself on your behalf, and I won't sell them anything. So thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. and we'll talk to you soon.